having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys can't tell, the lurgies hit me. I have been so unwell for the past 2 days and I really wanted to film this video sooner, but I literally could not. I went to work, I came home and I was either lying in the bath, literally just trying to get this cold out of me, or I was wrapped up on the sofa because I was so incredibly cold and drinking honey and lemon, which is what I've got here, and I'm just feeling so worse for wear. But I wanted to film this video because the new LUSH Tricks range comes out tomorrow. Your girl needed to get a video up. We needed to talk about it. So that is what we're going to be doing. So hopefully you guys don't mind that I sound a little bit worse for wear. Also, if I start looking really hot, it's because 1 minute I'm hot, 1 minute I'm cold. So anyway, we're going to stop talking about me. Let's go into the tricks range. I'm just so excited. So let's go. So when I went to London recently for a LUSH event, we actually got to see most of this range there, but we were not allowed to say anything, take any photos, or let you guys know that we saw these items. And it was the hardest thing to keep a secret because you guys are my best friends. Like, I feel like all I want to do is tell you guys everything, and keeping this a secret was so hard. And it was such a cool, innovative, fun, different range that they're releasing that all I wanted to do was share it, and I wasn't allowed to. But in today's video, we finally get to go through everything. I've also heard a lot of controversial feelings about this collection already, like about the packaging, things like that, and obviously all of the packaging is completely recyclable at home. I don't think any of it kind of goes towards the like black pot return scheme that LUSH do. I might be wrong. If you guys know this for a fact, let me know down below, because it would be quite cool if you could take back like the whole cardboard packaging case and maybe have that included in the 50p returns thing. Anyway, I'm going to go through all the items now. I am very excited. So let's go through them all. I have them all on my phone. So let's go. Very excited. Okay, so the first item we have is the Hot Lips Chili Lipstick, which retails for £15. This is a plumping lipstick. I actually tried this at the event. It was really great. It's a very pigmented red plumping lipstick, but it's not that horrible, evasive plumping sensation that you get with other like synthetic lip glosses and things like that. It's a very gentle plumping sensation, and it was really lovely. So I would highly recommend that one. Obviously it is £15. It is higher on the kind of price range for this collection. However, I feel like if you do want to go down the route of a more natural plumping lipstick, this would be a really great one to start with. So that's the first item. The next item is the shape-shifting that's really hard to say, shape-shifting slime jelly bomb powder. This is in the green colour and it retails for £8. This is junk scented, so it's lemon, mandarin, rosemary and sage, and I believe these are one of two things, and I honestly cannot remember which it is. You either use these in the shower, you kind of pour them in your hands and you wash with them, or you pour them in the bath and it kind of makes your bath have that jelly texture. It might be something that you can use for both, but I cannot remember which one it is, so I do apologise. If you guys know, let me know down below. But that is the second item in the collection. Then we have the iconic bubble bar. This one is screaming like Halloween boo basket kind of vibe. I absolutely love the look of this one. This one retails for £6 and it's zesty scented, which I believe is Collis scented. Let me know down below if that's correct, but like Monsters Ball, that kind of thing, love that smell so much. But this one is lime neroli and olibanum, and it's an eyeball. Basically it's an eyeball bubble bar. If you guys love like jokey kind of presents, like this would be so much fun. So yeah, that is the iconic bubble bar. Kind of freaking me out the more I look at it, so we're gonna swipe on. Okay, so the next one we have is Waiter, There's a Fly in My Soap mini soap. I feel like this, it's screaming the 90s. I swear we used to get stuff like this like back in the 90s, the early 2000s, like you'd get a bar of soap and there would be like a plastic toy on the inside. I might be wrong, but it's really screaming like nostalgia to me. I don't know why. This one retails for £6 and this one is Milky Bath scented, which is patchouli and orange. I feel like, again, this is a really lovely gift if you do like jokey presents with people. I know that I do a few Secret Santas every year and I feel like these would be perfect because a lot of Secret Santas are either like £5, £10, 15, 20, and I feel like you could get like 1, 2, 3 or 4 things and it would be a really fun present. So I'm really excited to try that one, and I love the Milky Bath scent. Even though I hate Aquamarina, I love Milky Bath. I don't know what it is. I think it's the seaweed in Aquamarina. It's just, ooh, it gives me goosebumps thinking about it. Okay, so next up we have the Shimmy Shimmy Lip Gloss, which looks so cute. We actually got to see this one there as well, and I did swatch it on my hand, and I can confirm it is beautiful. If you're going to festivals, if you like going out for like New Year's Eve, that kind of thing, this would be perfect. Such a good handbag size as well because it is mini. This one retails for £15 and it's American cream flavoured, which, like, we've all wanted to drink American cream conditioner, let's be real. In terms of ingredients, this one is vanilla, strawberry and clary sage. Again, like American cream, it just tastes unreal. I'm pretty sure, did I put some on? I can't remember if I put some on or not, but it was beautiful anyway. I remember seeing it there and it was lovely. The next item we have is the 5 o'clock Whistle mouthwash. This one is £6 and it's gin and tonic mouthwash tabs, which supposedly we have had before. This one is menthol, juniper berry, coriander and lime. I feel like for somebody who loves a gin and tonic, like my mum loves a gin. Like, she is a gin connoisseur. I feel like this would be a really funny like stocking filler gift, and I think I might have to get her some. As I said, this is £6. It's just something really fun. I love the vintage packaging. I think it's just so unique, so different. And again, if you put this in a stocking, I think people are going to open it and be like, what is that? And it's just going to be really great. So yeah, that is the mouthwash tabs, which I'm actually quite excited about. The next item we have is the Taupe on a Rope soap, which retails for £6. This one is obviously, as it says, a mini soap, and it's sultana scented, which is bergamot and olibanum, and it looks like a little shark. Not much more I can say about this one. Really cute though, love that. And the next item we have is the raspberry mini bubble wand, which is £5. What I will say about this one, it is mini. Like, when they say mini, they mean mini. It is very, very small, but very adorable nonetheless. This one is Space Girl scented, which is bergamot, grapefruit and almond. We all know Space Girl. We all know her. We all love her. Not much more to say about that one. She's small. She's cute. Let's move on. The next item is the Smell of Roses mini soap, which is £6. This is Amanda Pondo scented, which is lemon, orange and rose. That bubble bar really throws me back. Like, I used to love that bubble bar so, so much. I think you can get it in some stores now as part of the like retro returning to Lush products. So I'm pretty sure you can. And this is obviously a soap in the shape of a poo. So I feel like if you guys have a friend that's kind of into that like sense of humour, I feel like this would be a really funny gift, or even for children. Like, imagine them opening that on Christmas. I think it'd be so funny. Anyway, that is that item. Next we have the Fresh Pharmacy cleansing wipes, which are £6. This one is Dream Cream scented, so it's lavender, chamomile and tea tree. Now these, I believe, are basically the Fresh Pharmacy facial cleanser, but like in a wipe form. I feel like for someone who's going like traveling, or if you're going camping, or if you're going somewhere literally for a couple days, this would be perfect to take. And I just love the mininess of it. Like, anything that's miniature, like, I just love. Like, it's just so cute. The next item we have is the Flip Your Wig Silver Dry Shampoo. These are £8 and it does contain silver glitter. It's no drought scented, which is grapefruit and lime. So what I'm kind of guessing from this is a glittery version of no drought. And we love glittery, sparkly anything. I feel like if we love Lush, we must love glitter most of the time. And I love a good dry shampoo, and I don't really mind it when I have glitter in my hair either. I feel like I've definitely used a few of my dusting powders that have glitter in my hair before. So I love the idea of this. I think it's something so different, so fun, and especially for the kind of festive going into New Year season, would be perfect. The next item we have is the Mystic Mud Powdered Face Mask. So this one's really fun. This one retails for £9 and it contains Rasul mud and tea tree. Now, we actually got to see this one being made while we were there, and you basically mix it, I believe, with water, and it just makes your own face mask. It's like a fun way to do a little pamper, but you do get more hands-on with it as well, and I really love this one. And again, great for a gift. I feel like every product we've seen so far would just be perfect for a present. So that is the face mask, and I'm really excited about that one. I might have to try it myself. It's on the list, so I might have to get that one. The next item we have is the Frankenstein lipstick, which is a lipstick which goes from blue to pink. This one is going to be £15, and to be honest, this item alone just screams early 2000s, like Barry M duplicate to me. I used to have the green Barry M lipstick that went from green to pink. I was obsessed with it. I think you can still buy it, and I do get tempted to go and buy another one because I remember I love that lipstick so much. So I am quite tempted by this one as well. The next item are some googly eye pads, which are £5. Obviously these ones are similar to the ones you get in the Fresh and Flowers boxes, but I imagine these are just a little bit different because I believe you don't have to keep them in the fridge by the looks of them. So that would be something really fun and different and a good jokey present that has a good purpose. Like, I feel like all of the products that are in this range are fun, jokey gifts, but they all have a really lovely purpose and they're not kind of wasteful, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm really, really looking forward to having a look at those. Next up, we have the Glow Worm Shower Gummy. This one actually glows in the dark, which is so fun, and it's £7 and scented like the comforter, would you believe? And that is bergamot, blackcurrant and cypress oils. Now I don't remember seeing the Glow Worm there, but we have seen a few other squishy gummy things, which we'll go on to in a little while, but it was a very satisfying like gummy texture. It was like a hard gummy sweet, if that makes sense, like a very sturdy gummy sweet, and I feel like I'd love the shower jellies to be a bit more sturdy like that sometimes, and I just love the texture, and that one is just fun. I love the look of it. Again, I feel like for kids it's just making shower time, bath time like a lot more fun and different, so I love the look of that. And the next item we have is the Snow Fairy Pop Magic Shower, which is £6.50. Of course, this one is Snow Fairy scented. It's musk, lime and candy floss, and this one is, I'm not sure, I might be wrong, but I know there are some colour changing things within this range. I'm not sure if this is one of them or not. I feel like it might be, but I don't want to say anything in case I'm completely wrong, so let me know down below if you know for sure. But I love the look of that. Again, anyone who loves like Snow Fairy, pink things, bath, showers, like this is a perfect little gift to add. So I'm obsessed. Speaking of colour changing, we have got the Colour Chameleon Magic Shower. This one is £7 and this one does change colour when you use it. It's intergalactic scented, which I feel like is perfect for this item, and it's peppermint, cedarwood and grapefruit. This is the sort of thing I feel like I definitely want to try. I absolutely love the sound of that. Like, it sounds so fun, so different, and it smells like intergalactic, which is a win-win. Then we have the Glam Rock Hair Glitter, which sounds so fun. This one is £10 and it's glitter bug scented, so it's neroli, rose and vanilla, and I just feel like if you're somebody who likes to go out, you like to party, you like to do all the New Year's bits and pieces, like, not gonna lie, I'm a home bird. Do you know what I mean? Like, you can find me on New Year's Eve like snuggled up on the sofa or like in bed, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not much of an outside person. However, if you like to go out on New Year's Eve, you do you. Like, you go and have a great time and do it with glitter in your hair, because that sounds so fun, and honestly I feel like I kind of want it just to like try it out and see what it looks like. But yeah, I absolutely love that. It's £10 as I said, so just sounds so fun. The next item is the Shape Shifting Slime Jelly Bomb Powder. This one is the same as the first one, but this is Snow Fairy scented again, so it's musk, lime and candy floss, and it's £8. Again, as I said before, like, are we using it in the bath? Are we using it in the shower? Let me know down below. Maybe it's versatile, maybe you use it as both. I don't know. I'd love to know what you guys think though, but that sounds delightful. Again, we love a good Snow Fairy item over here, so I'm excited about that one. Next, we have the Little Squirts Mini Glitter Mist. We saw these at the event. They are so adorable. They are literally teeny weeny, perfect for handbags or pockets, and I feel like, again, if you're going to any events, festivals, or you're going out for like New Year's or Christmas, you've got your Christmas party and you love a bit of glitter, this would be great. Like, it's just such a good, convenient little size. This one is Snow Fairy scented. It retails for £9. What more could you want? The next items I was actually so intrigued by, and I loved this idea. So this is the Glitter Bombs Bright Glitter Crumbles. Now these are kind of like a tablet shape. You know the like plastic tablets that you get that you eat? You know what I mean? We don't eat them, but you know what I mean. You basically snap them in half and they've got pigment inside, which you can use for makeup and such. I loved the look of these. The pigmentation was incredible, and in my head I thought like festivals, like if you're going to a festival and you don't want to take like loads of makeup with you and that sort of thing, like these would be perfect. And I just thought they were so innovative and so different. Like, I've personally never seen anything like this before. Let me know if you have, but I personally haven't. These ones retail for £15 and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colours inside. So I love that, and again, for a festival or something, just love it. The next item is the Bouncing Spider Shower Gummy. These retail for £7 each, and it's rose jam scented, which is rose, lemon and geranium, and I saw this at the event. This is what I was talking about when it was like a harder texture. We got to actually like feel these and give them a try, and they are like a really hard gummy texture. It's very hard to describe it, but it's almost like you want to rip it but you feel like you can't. Like, it's a very, very good quality, like sturdy gummy texture, if that makes any sense whatsoever. And it's basically a soap, which is really fun, and I just love the look of this one. Again, I hate spiders, but it's a fun little gift. Then we have the Tree Hugger Shower Gummy, which is £7. This one is Nevermind the Ballistics scented, which I absolutely love. Love Nevermind the Ballistics, which is lime, sweet wild orange and olibanum. And this again is the same as the spider. It's a little gummy soap, but it looks like a frog, which we love. And last but definitely not least in this range, we have got the Sweet Dreams Powdered Face Mask, which is £9.50. This one is Beauty Sleep scented, which is sleepy combined with gorgeous, and that is orange flower, neroli, lavender, tonka and ylang ylang. And again, this one is very similar to the one I mentioned at the start, where you mix it with a bit of water and you get a nice little beautiful face mask out of it. I just, again, love the idea of these. I think this whole range, it's just so, like, my mind is blown. Do you know what I mean? So that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for sticking by me while I feel so under the weather. I really appreciate it. But I would love to know down below what you guys think of this range. Will you buy anything? What would you love to receive for Christmas? Or just what's your overall thoughts and opinions on this collection? Be ruthless. Let me know down below. I personally think it's actually a very fun, innovative, different ball game. Like, I've never seen anybody release a range like this. I might be wrong. Like, correct me if I'm wrong down below, but I don't feel like I've ever seen anything like it. And it's just so fun and like bizarre. Like, I just find it so strange and I love it. So yeah, that is my thoughts. Those are my opinions. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys got this far, I love you guys so much. Leave me a little bear emoji down below if you did. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 12,000 of you, which would be so incredible to hit before Christmas. So that is my aim. I would love for us to reach it, and I just appreciate you all so much. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.